Hi guys. Today I will start directly from the call to action. Anything you do, do it with passion. And I heard about this many times from successful people, and the last time it was yesterday watching a documentary movie about Donald Trump. He said, when I do something, I just do because I like doing those things. And as a result, they bring me money as well. But I don't do that for money, I do that because I like doing it. So, whatever you do, be sure that you like what you are doing, that you put your energy into it and you really get passionate about it. Because only this will give you the winning edge in the long term. You'll put more effort into learning more in your field. You will be more successful because you will be willing to dedicate more hours to this job, or to this activity. And there is another important factor that people around you will feel it. If you do something that you like, you will say it with your eyes, with the way you speak, with the way you behave, the way you move, and people will feel it. If you don't do it with passion and you just do it for money, people will feel it as well. Okay? So it's important to do the things that we believe in, the things we like, because life is really too short to do the wrong things. Yes, we might do it, but not for a long time. Okay, so my call to action again to you guys is whatever you do, be sure that this activity is something you like, something you do it with passion and really deep interest. Otherwise, just don't do it. Stop doing it. If it makes you feel bad, just don't do it. It will not help you, it will not help the people around you, and in the long term, it will be a failure, even if you can bring economical results out of it. You will still feel that your life was wasted. Take care, guys.